Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical fishing tools, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from fishing tools, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fishing tools, dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ZACX Fish Lip Gripper Pliers Fishing Tool Kit. Introducing the ZACX Fish Lip Gripper Pliers Fishing Tool Kit, engineered for ultimate performance on the water. With an upgraded EVA foam handle for enhanced grip and reduced fatigue, this classic T-handle grabber ensures comfort during extended fishing trips. The new aluminum fishing pliers feature an elegant hollow-out design and machine-cut aluminum handles, providing both durability and lightweight functionality. Designed for convenience, the spring-loaded handle allows for easy one-handed operation, while the included lanyard prevents accidental loss. Built to withstand harsh saltwater environments, these pliers and grippers are corrosion-resistant and perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing adventures. This fishing tool kit makes an excellent gift for angler friends or family members, ideal for occasions like Father's Day or Valentine's Day. Choose from 2 package options. Style A includes 1 fishing gripper, while Style B includes a complete set with 1 fish lip gripper and 1 fishing plier with a sheath. Elevate your fishing experience with the ZACX Fish Lip Gripper Pliers Fishing Toolkit. Number 2. Mossy Oak 4PC Fishing Toolkit. Introducing the Mossy Oak 4PC Fishing Toolkit, a comprehensive set designed to elevate your fishing experience. The 45 pistol grip fishing pliers offer versatility with features like a split ring head, hook remover, wire strippers, and crimper, making them perfect for various fishing tasks. The ergonomic design and non-slip grip handle ensure comfort and control during use. Accompanying the pliers is a fillet knife with sheath, featuring a super thin blade for precise cutting and scaling. Its ergonomic handle grip provides ultimate control, while the included sheath offers safety and convenience. The trigger pull fish gripper boasts stainless steel construction for durability in saltwater environments, along with a rubberized grip and adjustable wrist strap for added security. Completing the kit are a folding line snip and fly fishing retractor, offering compact utility for cutting fishing line and securing essential gear. Presented in a superior package, this kit is an ideal gift for fishing enthusiasts. Ensure longevity by cleaning and drying tools after use, and always handle them with caution. Elevate your fishing game with the Mossy Oak 4PC Fishing Toolkit. Number 3. XBLACK Fishing Toolkit. Introducing the XBLACK Fishing Toolkit, a comprehensive set designed to make your fishing adventures easier and more enjoyable. This advanced set includes multifunction fishing pliers, a fish gripper, and a fishing scale, providing all the essential tools for anglers. The fishing scale boasts impressive versatility, capable of weighing catches from 0.2 pounds to a whopping 110 pounds with precision within 5G. Its state-of-the-art weight sensor ensures accurate measurements, while the included measuring tape adds further utility. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these tools are built to withstand both freshwater and saltwater environments, making them ideal companions for any fishing trip. The rotatable fishing gripper allows for quick and easy handling of fish, while the auto-open 2-side spring-bearing design of the pliers ensures effortless operation with just one hand. This kit makes a perfect gift for fishing enthusiasts, whether it's for Father's Day, Valentine's Day, or Christmas. Elevate your fishing experience with the XBLACK Fishing Toolkit. Number 4. Ylinsha Fishing Knife Fish Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Ylinsha Fishing Knife Fish Cleaning Kit, the ultimate solution for fish cleaning convenience and safety. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to prepare delicious wild-caught fish for the table, ensuring a hassle-free experience every time. The set features a sharp 4020J stainless steel fishing knife with a durable black coating, accompanied by a double-sided knife sharpener to maintain its edge. Level 5 cut-proof gloves provide superior protection, while the fish scale cleaning brush, fish bone tweezers, and stainless steel scissors ensure precise cleaning and slicing. Crafted for both wet and dry conditions, the non-slip rubber handle of the knife offers a secure grip, while the unique locking design of the sheath prevents accidental slips. The kit comes complete with a waterproof storage bag for easy transport and organization. Whether you're a passionate fisherman or a culinary enthusiast, this bait knife set is a must-have addition to your fishing gear or kitchen arsenal. Compact and versatile, it's perfect for outdoor adventures or home use. Treat yourself or surprise a fellow fishing enthusiast with the Ylinsha Fishing Knife Fish Cleaning Kit today. Number 5. AOFUXTI Fishing Tool Kit. Introducing the AOFUXTI Fishing Tool Kit, a versatile set designed to enhance your fishing experience. Crafted from sturdy stainless steel, the multifunctional fishing pliers feature a rubber non-slip handle for comfortable one-hand operation, perfect for saltwater use. The spring-loaded fish lip clip ensures a strong grip on big fish, while the unique hook remover allows for easy release without harming the fish. A sharp 7-inch fish fillet knife, coated to prevent rust, completes the set, along with a towel and sharpener for cleaning and maintenance. This kit is the perfect gift for fishing enthusiasts of all ages, promising durability and functionality for every angler. Backed by our commitment to quality, we offer a permanent warranty and dedicated customer service. Elevate your fishing game with the AOFUXTI Fishing Tool Kit today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.